You told yourself you'd stop after the last loss, just one more trade to make it back. But the strange thing is, the more you lose, the harder it becomes to stop. Because at some point, this stops being about money and starts becoming personal. There's a moment most traders don't notice. It's subtle. You stop asking, "Is this a good trade?" and start asking, "How do I recover what I lost?" That's the shift. You're no longer trading the market. You're reacting to it. And once that happens, every decision you make is no longer based on logic. It's based on emotion. Specifically, revenge. Revenge trading isn't just about making money back. It's about restoring control. Because a loss doesn't just hit your wallet. It hits your identity. You feel like you made a mistake, like you should have known better, like the market outplayed you. So you try to fight back. You increase position sizes. You enter trades faster. You stop waiting for confirmation. Not because the setup is better, but because the feeling is stronger. Here's the trap. The market doesn't know you're trying to recover. It doesn't care. But your brain does something dangerous. It links your last loss to your next decision. So instead of seeing each trade independently, you start chaining them together. One loss becomes two, two becomes five, and suddenly, you're not trading setups anymore. You're chasing a feeling, the feeling of getting back to zero. Most people don't blow their account on a bad strategy. They blow it in a single emotional spiral. It looks like this: a loss, followed by a rushed entry, followed by a bigger loss, followed by an even bigger trade, and then silence. Because at that point, you're no longer thinking, you're reacting. This is the part most people won't admit. You're not trying to make money, you're trying to erase a mistake, and those are two completely different goals. Making money requires patience, clarity, discipline. But erasing a mistake, that requires urgency, emotion, and risk. So what do disciplined traders do differently? They separate trades completely. Every trade stands on its own. No memory, no attachment, no need to win it back. Because the moment you try to recover a loss, you've already lost control. The market didn't take anything from you. It simply reflected your decisions. And if you're honest, the moment things started going wrong was the moment it stopped being about strategy and started being about you.